Porch pirates will do anything and everything in their power to make sure they steal that box and make a run with it. Here's a fantastic lineup of these pirates sneaking up to people's porches and stealing whatever is in front of them. Let's get started. This man spots a nice box on someone's porch, and just when he's about to take off with it, the homeowner, who is an OG, gets out his rifle and is ready to crack his head open. His fellow pirate honked at him to let him know he's on his own.
Put my shit on this fucking man. Yeah. I saw you when you got out the motherfucker. You're trying to put my shit on this motherfucker. Sure. You done lost your motherfucking mind. You don't come up on my shit.
This porch pirate is definitely going to change his career path after this. What a clever bait for these pirates. These two goons run off with these packages so fast, probably because of the sirens. What do you think is in those big packages? Kevin, the porch pirate, casually walks to someone's front porch and steals a package. Hope the box is loaded with some explosive stuff. This porch pirate must have watched too many of the Friday the 13th movies, seeing as how he disguises himself. Hope he enjoys the machete in the box. Karen successfully steals a package, but karma gets to her instantly, and it has never looked so beautiful. Here's another nut that wanted to steal a box off of this porch, but meets with a guard dog and regrets her decision right away. Ninja pirate goes floor to floor and door to door, stealing packages like nobody's business. Now that the holidays are over, it's best for homeowners to take extra measures in guarding their packages, because these porch pirates will leave no porch untouched, like this guy who waits for the delivery man to drop the package and takes it without any remorse. Karen comes fully prepared with her bag, and when she thought it was her lucky day, the owner comes and chews her out.
my bed.
Oh, scared the shit
What
out of
did you
me.
just pick up off my bed?
I
Watch
thought
on my
I
camera.
thought it was mine. I'm sorry, sir.
Goddamn
I
right. Get the
don't-
fuck off of my porch.
Okay.
You come back on my porch again, I will call the cops.
Okay.
Got anything else in there? Am I going to steal my cameras? Yeah. Dog. See what the f*** happens you try it again. Go. Go. Got your name on it? Is it on your report? Better think about it again before you come around here.
Just when this idiot thinks he got away, the owners come out and make him do his best dance moves. Better shake it like you mean it, Kevin.
Whoa, 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 whoa. What are you doing, thief? Wait, no, come back, come back.
Sorry, I'm good.
No, come back here.
Come the fuck back.
The cops.
Okay, you should bring it in though, just in case some people.
No, we're gonna call the cops unless you dance, thief.
I'm not gonna dance.
Yeah,
You need to
then
dance
we
right
got
now. I have the
now.
number pulled up. Look at
Dance now.
You put some music on. Or
No.
No music.
No music, thief.
In silence.
Go, thief, dance. Before we call the cops. That's right, thief. Yeah, do you like that? Try and steal shit from people?
All right, can I go?
No.
All right,
Wow.
that's enough. Bye.
Thief.
This brazen Karen steals the package and runs faster than wind, but she will be sobbing since the only items in that box are pant hangers.
Camera recording.
This pirate knew nobody was home and was ready for action. Thankfully, the doorbell spooked him out.
What? I just want to say hi. Hello? Hello? I just want to say hello. Oh. No, I'm not pressing that. I'm not pressing that. Bye-bye.
If nonchalant was a vibe, this thief nonchalantly takes the parcel, but an awesome neighbor puts him in his shoes. Should have thrown his keys away and let him search in the snow.
Alright. Put it back. Alright. You're in your lucky now. Get the fuck out of here.
This has to be his first rodeo, seeing how quickly he dropped the box and asked for a job instead. I would have put him to work before cops arrived.
Hiring for any type of yard work? I see you guys got these guys coming around, but you guys...
I thought you were here delivering. You were taking.
This girl casually walks around looking for packages to loot without any sense of urgency. She's got some gall. A busy porch pirate has no time to waste since he has more porches to cover and packages to filch. This girl opens a package in broad daylight without shame and tries on clothes to make sure they fit before escaping with them. Kevin here tries to steal a package from this porch, but realizes there is a camera and makes a run for it. Shame on you. This thief has the audacity to look right at the camera without caring, then leave with their loot. Most porch pirates wouldn't give squat about the doorbell cameras, but this one knew she messed up the moment she saw the camera and drops the parcel. Porch pirates are getting more clever by the day and coming up with ways to hide their faces, like this amateur right here who hides from the ring but gets caught by a ring. Professional thief patrols this house for 4 days just to steal a plant and gives the owner a thank you beep after successfully completing his robbery. This busty girl has enough guts to fix herself before stealing a parcel from this home. Karmic justice serves this porch pirate right, as he was attempting to flee with the package, and then he finds himself flying to the ground and...
Broke ass nigga, yeah, broke ass. That's what your ass get. And the law's on the way.
Motherfucker shit on my chest.
Dirty ass.
One try.
Bitch, what you call it?
If you are enjoying, then consider smashing that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Let's continue. Nothing can make a porch private from fleeing with packages, even if it means tripping.
As you can see, the more you f around, the more you're gonna find out.
She goes through the entire neighborhood and steals candy from each home. Then she gets called out and puts the blame to her child.
Caught.
Please leave some for the other kid.
Yeah, he was just looking for peanut butter M&Ms. That's it.
Yeah, I know. You took the whole bin, though. I saw
Alex.
you on camera.
Alex,
Thank you.
come on. You need to... What are you talking about?
Right after Amazon delivery guy leaves a package, this sneaky thief walks in and steals it. This porch pirate has no time to waste, so he goes in to steal the package and gets out in a matter. Not his, but at least tries to have the courtesy to close the gate.
They leave stuff in plain sight.
This goes to prove that anyone can be a porch pirate at any age, just like these little miscreants.
Oh, no! Take that one. Okay. Still heavy. What if they're all back?